Petty Officer. Senior Recruitment McCollum, standing by for room inspection. Aye, Petty Officer.
I swear, there's something wrong with me. I miss boot camp. Alright, anyways, any freaking ways. I swear, that's what they had me doing at boot camp. I was like, let's get this shit over with. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, it's been quite a goddamn time. Quite a long time. It's been about 3 years since I posted a video. I actually posted a video about 2 years ago, and it was a Valentine's Day video with someone, but I took that down. So basically I posted a video about 3 years ago. That's a motherfucking long time. That's a long time. So anyways, in this video,
It's not work makeup. Ooh.
It's been so long that I don't even know what to say. That's how crazy it's been for me. For the past 2 years? Yeah, 2 years. So, 2 years, 3 years. Well, the first year it doesn't count. So, the past 2 years, it's been a little bit rocky for me because I joined the Navy in 2017. It is now 2019. Yes. That's crazy, ain't it? But that's besides the point. I'm going to be showing you guys a tour of my room. Yeah, I'm going to show y'all a tour of my room. My room in the Navy. My little barracks room. It's not technically a barracks room, but it's a barracks room. It's complicated. It gets hard. I forgot what else I'm supposed to say. I don't know. I'm just chatting. I hate people that talk too much in their intro, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm one of those people that I hate. I swear, there's something wrong with me. But you know what you gotta do? You gotta come in and continue watching because that motherfucking video alone bad as fuck. You know what I'm saying? What's good? I am so ghetto. Anyways, I don't know what I'm supposed to say in the intro. Welcome to my room. I don't know anything else to say. This is where I live for the time being. That I'm a seaman. Sounds funny, but that's what my rank is. But yo, I swear, I'm laughing at my own jokes in my head. I'm so fucking retarded. Oops, I didn't mean to curse, but I'm so retarded. That's all I wanted. Well, welcome to my room tour, MTV Cribs. You know what it means. This is my mansion. This is how I do things. You heard? A mansion for one. What's good? Ow. But like, comment, subscribe, and continue watching. I got a lot more to go for you people. So, because I don't know who watching my YouTube channel.
This girl right here is serving your country. Leaky. You know. Don't judge my nails. But I'm out.
So as you walk into my room, this is the overall of the room. Whatever you want to call it. Yeah, my light is there because I didn't get my stand for it yet because that stand is totally different. I don't even know. And then my table is there. Ooh, I was drinking my chocolate milk. I don't like things on my table, but yeah. And then I have, yeah, this. Oh, that was some good chocolate milk. So I have 2 closets. I'm gonna close my door. I have the A closet, which is my clothes or whatever. Can't really see it because it's so dark. Oh, I forgot I had a light over here. I'm so not that smart. But yeah. And some of my shoes. The rest is in New York. And then this is a closet. I wanted to use, what the hell did I just say? I wanted to use it for clothes, But I was letting my friend put their stuff in here. She left her stuff. She gotta go come get it when I move out of here. And yeah, my boots, my work boots. These are the love of my life. So as you walk in, I have a mirror, and that's to my left. Okay, yeah, I was just making sure. So I just threw shits around it that was like excess stuff, because why not? I got this from Walmart. I think it was like $12. I don't know, I don't remember. This was like $1. It was like Christmas season, and I just stick them shits and put it over there. Yes, I'm still in my uniform, and I got a bonnet on. But anyways, my laundry basket, whatever you want to call it, yeah, I got it from Walmart. And then you turn to my right. Okay, that's my, oh shit, oh, I just made a spill. That's so good. Anyways, so that's my table. It was like a little boring ass table in the room that, you know, people do work on. I was like, oh hell no. So I decided to recreate it into a dining table for one person. I got this, like all the, what is this called? The plates and the little teacup from IKEA. This from Walmart. This is a different glass. I actually got a glass before, but how did it break? I was washing dishes and it broke. This right here, I made it. Yes, I got this from Home Goods, and I got a candle. It smelled good. It smelled like vanilla. Like, I can't hold this camera. Like, my hand hurt really bad. That's another story for itself. But yeah, this right here, it was a white flower, white with green stem, and I spray painted it metallic silver. I saw this at Dress for Ross, and it was on sale because, you know, it was an open packet, and I bought it and I started sticking stuff in there. And then this too, I got it from Michael's, and I just started sticking things in there. And I got this from Michael's, and like the ring for the napkin. And then somebody brought me some wine. I tried it. It was nasty. So I just put it on the table. But yeah, that's the overall of how it looks. That means my clothes is ready to dry. And I have my little garbage bin right there because I don't know why that garbage bin's right there. I wanted to find somewhere to hide it because I don't like things to be out in the open, especially if it's ugly. But the garbage is white, but I need like clear plastic bags so it doesn't look as bad. I just got bags from the goddamn Next or whatever. That, you know, when you come in and you shop, you get some bags. But then this right here is a little drawer. You can see the goddamn bag. Yeah, this is where I store all the goddamn bags that I get from the Next. And it's too many because I do a lot of food shopping. But that's besides the point. Yeah. So on my wall, I'm gonna start with the wall first. I have lots of pictures of me. That's on my Snapchat. So I have a lot of them. And I'm missing a row, but I didn't put it up yet. I had 2 rows. I have to put it up. I have a friend. She loves stealing my chocolate. She stole all the ones that were silver. It went in my room, and then I couldn't find any more. So I just got this ugly shit. My brushes, my sunglasses. Well, some of them. Oh, you're gonna end up in the garbage. Just brushes that I use on a regular. Please do not ask me why my thing is sitting there again. My ring light, it's sitting there because, one, I don't have a stand yet. I have to order one. And this is a bomb ass ring light, just to let you guys know. You see this? You can dim it. You can change the temperature of the lighting to fluorescent or like a cool tone, warm, whatever the hell do you want to say, cool or warm. Oh shit, just orange. It makes the room look orange. Can you tell? Like, look. Wait, no, wrong shit. Wait. Ah, look at that. But yeah, this is okay. This is my little, whatever you want to call this. What do you call this? A camera, a tripod.
I'm gonna put this over there because it's stressing me out. So anyway,
that I have all my makeup in there, but that's for another story. That's my bed. I sleep in that. My rug, I got it from Home Goods. This, I got it for $7. This little thing right here, I got it for $7 at the, what's this place called? At the fabric store. And that is just part of the Christmas decorations I had left over, and I put it there because I was trying to put it all around my room, but that didn't work out. Pillows I got from Home Goods. The curtain, I got the white curtains from Walmart, and then the little throw over thing, I don't even know what you call it, from, I know this, the fabric store. I got, this is cute. So yeah, I bought that. And then mason jars. Usually when I was in New York, I used to take the mason jar and fill them up with like cotton balls, like makeup sponges, makeup wedges, Q-tips, everything like that. And then I was just like, I gotta be different. I gotta try it differently this time. And I just put some lights in there. Some LED lights. They're running on batteries. I got them from IKEA. It wasn't that expensive. It was like $2.99. So I just dropped them in there. And this was a random made up shit. I don't know. I just randomly made this up. I got this from Home Goods as well. Randomly made this up. Same thing. And then I got this from Home Goods. It's actually a scent. It's a vanilla scent. I don't know what type of rock stuff is in there. But yeah, that's what it is. Never been to Paris, but yeah, I got that. This is my TV. I like to pull it out. I added this thing because my TV was actually way too big for this. I think it was for a computer. I don't know, bro. I just live here. Oh, freaking stupid. Well, that's when you walk in. It is my coffee maker. I like to make coffee. Only Starbucks coffee. And I have my little pot spoon and stuff. There's no stove here, so I have to cook downstairs. So what I like drinking is this vanilla Starbucks flavored ground coffee, whatever. It's rich as shit. Strong. That's my room inside, but yeah, that's my stuff. I like that I take over everything. And in the freezer, that is all. I was about to make chicken parmesan. I gotta take this lid out. It's soft, but I gotta take that out. My ice cream, my eggs, chicken, shrimp, everything. That's my roommate's side, and then, you know, everything else mine. I like cereal. These are my two favorite cereals. Fruity Pebbles and Captain Crunch. Water, juice, Oreo thins. This shit is so good. I was eating it, but then I had to stop eating it because, you know, I got like everything. There's mad different flavors of rice. I have a problem on the stove. I eat them when I'm bored. I got bagels and I only like raisin, cinnamon, bagels, and bread. Just swirly bread. I got a whole bunch of shit. I don't even know what it is back there. But potatoes and whatever. I'll make shrimp and stuff though. I was about to make chicken parmesan. And yeah. So let me give you a better overview of it. My towel. Whatever. My roommate's side. My side. So it's like the bathroom area, whatever. Obviously you can tell this is mine. You know, home goods. Yeah, home goods. I got this in New York, and I put it in my suitcase and I brought it. Then I broke it, so I flipped it out this way, so it's just for decorations. I'll show you. Stupid shit. They got me on mad medicine. What the hell did I just say? Mad medicines. I take my vitamins, you know, all the good shit. Mine's looks great in there. These two are mine. This is mine. I'm washing clothes. And this is the bathroom. It's like prison. So I'm turn on. Take the light. This is a light. Nothing crazy. All I got in here is Windex and Oxy Magic and some glass.